Hi, everybody. Welcome to Dandelion Cottage. I'm Leslie Watkins, and I just wanted to pop on today for a couple of minutes to let you know about a wonderful opportunity that you can take advantage of, but only until October 31st, the last day of October. There is a special joining deal that you can get when you decide to take up paper crafting for your hobby. So, for instance, if you like watercolors or you like making note cards or you've seen some of the videos and you think it looks like a lot of fun, it is. It's a lot of fun. And you'll be joining with a wonderful community of paper crafters from around the world with loads of inspiration and all sorts of how-to videos and classes and ideas for boxes, cards, gift bags, but also how to learn to design and use various techniques. And one of the reasons why I joined with Stampin' Up! Originally was because of the quality of the materials and because of the tools. And they are wonderful. It's one-stop shopping. The things are delivered right to your door, and you get to get things throughout the year as the seasons change. So if you're making Christmas cards, or you want to make Thanksgiving place cards, or you just want to make a pretty note card for somebody, you'll have all the things that you'll need to hand to be able to do those things. Um, when you join, and the reason why I'm bringing this to you now with this special starter kit, you are able to select $125 worth of product and pay only $99. But I'm coming on here today to let you know that right now you can get $155 worth of products, tools, and materials to help you get started, and you'll pay only $99 with tax and get free shipping. So it's really an awesome deal. And you'll also be able to take part in my design team, our monthly Zoom meetings. You will be able to participate in team swaps. There are creative challenges. There are that you would get a free watercolor lesson each month from the Watercolor Card Club, and most of all, you'd be able to save 20%, sometimes 25% on all of your future paper crafting purchases. So it's really worthwhile, and there's a lot more benefits, and they're all listed on my website, and I will list that below. And if you want to go there and check out the join page, you will find all of the benefits listed there. Now, before I go, I just wanted to share some of the watercolors that we've done throughout the year, and some of the lessons that I've shared with my teammates for the monthly tutorials. So I'm going to turn the camera down for just a second so that you can see my desktop. So here are some of the note cards that I've made throughout the year, and I've sort of got them arranged in a seasonal wreath here. So we've got a snow scene on the top, this cute chickadee on a holly branch, my beloved dandelions, a ruby-throated hummingbird, some beautiful summer berries, a peony, just a note card. Here's a autumn late summer floral thank you card, a little red squirrel, and some more holly. Now, during the Watercolor Card Club, I talk about some of the essential concepts that you should know to be able to portray some convincing subjects. So in this case, we have an artichoke. Another month we painted sunflowers. This is a little autumn landscape that I just did a week or two ago. And here is the current month's subject, which is holly. You can take these ideas and use them to make tags, note cards, ornaments, all sorts of things. I'd love to see what you come up with. And one thing for sure is that you will have an infinite stream of inspiration coming your way. So if any of this looks good to you, I'd love to have you on the team. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have. I'll walk you through the process. It's so worthwhile. It's so much fun. And I really don't want you to miss this fantastic deal because it doesn't happen very often. So I will post all of the links below so that you can learn more and you can contact me and let me know if I can help you bring you into this wonderful world of paper crafting and watercolor. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope to hear from you soon.